tongue twister is a sentence or phrase that is deliberately difficult to pronounce because it contains similar sounds repeated in quick succession. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore. It sounds simple until you try saying it quickly. Tongue twisters challenge your mouth, tongue, lips, and brain to work together more accurately. Have you ever struggled to pronounce an English word clearly, even though you knew exactly what you wanted to say? Well, here's something that can dramatically improve your pronunciation, and it's actually fun. They're called tongue twisters. Let's get started. They offer several important benefits. First, they improve your pronunciation. They help you produce English sounds more accurately. Second, they improve your clarity. People will understand you more easily because your words become clearer. Third, they strengthen your speech muscles. Just as exercise strengthens your body, tongue twisters strengthen the muscles used for speaking. Fourth, they increase your speaking confidence. As your pronunciation improves, you'll feel more comfortable speaking English. Finally, they improve fluency. Your mouth learns to move more naturally from one sound to another. Don't rush. Instead, follow these 4 simple steps. Step 1. Read the tongue twister slowly. Step 2. Pronounce every word clearly. Step 3. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Step 4. Gradually increase your speed without losing accuracy. Remember, clear speech is more important than fast speech. Today's tongue twister is she sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Let's do it together, slowly. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now, a little faster. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. One last time. She sells seashells by the seashore. Excellent. Say this tongue twister 5 times without making any mistakes. If you make a mistake, smile and then start again. That's how improvement happens. Tongue twisters are one of the simplest and most enjoyable ways to improve your English pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. In the next lesson, we'll practice a tongue twister that focuses on S and SH sounds, which many English learners find challenging. Don't miss it. And if you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.